Okay, we are recording. Hello everybody, happy Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend. We wanted to go live today, but our internet is playing up, classic Australia. So we're doing a recorded live for you today from our shoot. We're in the middle of shooting an editorial with beautiful RaRa and awesome Daniel, our stylist. So we thought we would give you a little behind the scenes of it.
You stick your head in there.
Who's stylist?
Which camera are you looking at?
This one.
Hi guys, Daniel Stylist here. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, I will quickly flip it over and we'll have a look at what Peter and RaRa are doing.
Cool. So with this, we've set up HMIs to do 3 or 4 different lighting setups with 2 lights. So we've got one setup here, and this is running through all of this rubbish here. Now I know it looks messy, but all of this is to cast a shadow on that wall that I'm going to work RaRa into. And over this side, we've got a HMI again, which is a constant light, and we're running this through. We're running this through this rack to cast shadows over here. And then we've got a couple little secret looks which are down through here, which we'll quickly do as well. With this, we're going to start off with how the stylist styled it, and then I'm going to do what I do and rip it apart a little bit. I'm going to just move this because I'll run out of cable. Hopefully this will wheel over more. Cool, that should give me enough cable now. Cool, so if I just do my setup shot, I'm just going to do, I've already done a pre-setup. I have 2 different settings in my focus software. One is for this wall and another setting is for this wall, because these 2 lights got different sort of feels to them. So this wall here is less contrast, so I added more contrast in focus, and then this wall has got heaps of contrast, so I didn't put any contrast in this. So if I just come in and get a shot, cool. And I'm just going to check what came up onto the wall, and I put glasses somewhere. Becca can flick me over. Cool, so if I put my highlight alerts on and bang, there's my highlight alerts turned on. I've got nothing going over on this shot. If I just push this up further, yeah, so the highlights alerts are working, but I've set this up so it's not got anything going off, and I can move RaRa around this wall. And this setting is for the other wall, and you'll see my settings have changed a little bit from, well, I should have, hopefully. Yeah, you'll see on the side the settings have changed. So if I go onto these settings, you can flick over to the other camera if you like, and I throw RaRa onto the far wall. What this allows me to do, yeah, perfect. This allows me to do, cool, 2 different lightings really quickly, but still keep the same feel about it. So I think I'm going to start, we'll start there, yeah. So I'm just going to do some fashion on here, and all I'm doing is I'm going to watch RaRa's face to where the shadows are coming, and you'll hear me say to RaRa, feel the light, and that's based on her feeling the actual light hitting her face. Cool, cool, cool. Just slot back this way a little bit more, keep coming. I just want to get that light on her, so cool. That's beautiful, beautiful, stunning, cool. And in here we've also got this really nice light which is along here. That's really cool. That's beautiful. So really nice lights in on these different angles. That's stunning. That's really cool. Cool, so I might just, don't cross the cables. So these are the shots we just took on the contrasty wall. And you'll see that there's our shot side on, and there's our shot more front on. We're just going over just on the edge of the jacket, but I'm at 210 the whole way through, so I've got heaps of, one channel's going for 245, so that's fine. I've got plenty of detail in that. So if I come back onto this wall, which means I need to change my settings back to the settings I used for that wall, which is those settings. So with this, I'm just, cool, that's really cool, that's really cool. Cool, I'm just going to check my very first frame, make sure my exposure's fine, looks perfect. And with this, I can shoot, cool, cool, cool. Nice, just feel the light, move till you feel the light, that way maybe. Oh, that's nice, that's cool, 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 cool. And with this here, I've also got 2 different angles. I can come in along this angle. Stunning, stunning. It's really pretty, beautiful, beautiful. Or I can just come along a bit. I'm gonna get you inside one of the hoops. Yeah, just there, perfect, perfect. Cool, beautiful. Beautiful. I'm just gonna change these up a little bit. So what I'm doing, I'm changing the pattern on the wall. So that's just given, cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Beautiful, beautiful, stunning, 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 cool, 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 cool. I'm just going to check that. I think you might be just a little bit too much in the shadows. Yeah, I'm happy with how that's sitting. Yeah, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. That's beautiful. So this is the Stylist setup, and so this is a Stylist setup. I'm going to do what I normally do, and I call it Coco Chanel, which is lose one piece. So I like this setup, but I'm finding the strip through her top is blocking her up. So I'm going to get RaRa just to take the top off, but we're going to keep the jacket covering her. Well, I'll get the Stylist to take the top off. So maybe just point to the corner.
Oh, yep.
Could maybe click to this camera. How does that look?
To that one?
Yeah. Right, so now that I've brought it back to my type of styling, we're going to, cool, that's really pretty. That's cool. Cool, now just go drift into the light, feel the light on your face. Cool, it's perfect, 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 perfect. Stunning, 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 stunning. That's really cool, that's really cool. There, just there. Drop the chin over a little bit. Come into the light a fraction. Swing around a bit more. Cool, 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 cool. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool. Drift back to the light that way. There, just there. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Stunning, 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 stunning. I like the silhouette it's giving. I've also got a really nice shot in here. Yeah, just there. Sneak up to me a little bit. Keep coming out that way. Just there. Back a fraction, sorry, and back in this. I just want to get a little bit there. Too far, just a fraction. Yeah, cool. So this is just giving me a tiny, cool. Drift this way a little bit. There, cool. I'm getting the mottled light caused by this shining onto RaRa, and the next, cool, beautiful. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. I'm going to drop her over to the other side, but maybe I can just show you some of these shots that I just did. So these were the shots we just got. You'll see where I've just dropped her into that shadowed area. We've got lots of nice different moods. Some are when she got into the shade a little bit, some are a little bit dark, but most of these are fine. I'm going to jump on to my other setup for the other lighting. That's it there. And I'm going to shoot her on this, but I'm going to also change up a couple of things. So the first thing I'm going to change up is I'm actually going to shoot.
Hang on 1 second so people can see what you mean.
But then they're going to need to see the picture.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's right, you'll have to flick
it. I just wanted them to see what you meant when you said that.
All right, so I'm coming in through here and I'm just going to focus. I'm setting up between the racks that I like. It's really cool. Cool, let's come up into here. That's cool. That's stunning. Cool, beautiful. Coming up all right?
Yep.
Cool. Yeah, so I'm getting this sort of grid effect through this. That's really cool. I like that. Where's my... I'm just looking for a really nice vignetting gap. That's cool. Beautiful. Cool. And then I'm just going to come back. Cool. Shuffle this way a little bit. Just there. Cool. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Touch more. Keep moving that way. There, there. Just get that light. Cool, cool. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Cool. Turn your face more to the light. Cool, cool, cool. Beautiful, beautiful. Stunning. If we come around here a little bit, I'm just going to do the soft, pretty shot. That's stunning. That's really pretty. Beautiful, beautiful. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Cool. Now I do have one other light, and I'm going to go down this little hole. So I don't know what camera is going to pick this up. Can you see me down here?
Yeah, you've kind of got a reflector on your head, but that's
all
fine.
right, but I'm down here.
Yes.
So everyone can see who I am. I'm hidden down this hole. I'm using this white wall behind me to bounce this light that's coming down here into this, back onto RaRa's face. And I'm putting this beautiful halo over her. Stunning. Cool. I'm just going to let Beck tell me what my exposure is.
You are, wait, like what F you're at, or? Wait, what? What do you mean?
How my exposure is looking.
Oh yeah, it's fine. The halo around RaRa's hair is just going off.
It's going off?
Yeah.
It likes it? Is that like going off sick?
Yes. Precisely.
Cool, cool, cool. Come off the wall a touch, just so I don't have timber in it. That's it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just going to check. Yeah, cool. Cool, cool. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Cool. Come across a bit. Keep coming, keep coming. I'm going to have the timber in. I've got no choice. Stunning, stunning. Or you come out this way a bit. Keep, yeah, just there. Go back a touch. Stunning. It's really pretty. That's really pretty. So there's just one other area I can shoot. So I'm happy with both of those looks. So then we're going to go to our next styling, and we're going to enhance the pants.
You see?
So,
we're really dark.
Sorry?
We're really dark. We can talk to this camera now.
We can talk to this camera now? How? So we're going to now enhance the pants. I'm just letting RaRa get implied, and she's going to do a Kate Moss with a crossed arm. You right? Yeah. Where did we do that? Here or over the other side? Over that side, yeah, cool. Do you want to get on this side and do a Kate Moss?
Totally. Oh, good God.
And what I might do is just go slightly wider with my lens at the moment. I'm on 100 mil. Sorry, I'm on an 80. I'm going to drop down to a 50. And just allows me to get, that's cool, that's really cool. So I want to, cool, that's stunning. It's really cool. Cool, 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 cool. Beautiful, beautiful. So I just want some of the pants in the shot to tie the rest together by me enhancing the feel of, that's really pretty. Stunning, cool, cool, cool. That's stunning, cool, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Cool, I'm not checking a thing, so I'm hoping I'm not too dark. I'll just jump on and have a look. That's cool. Maybe I'll just bring a touch more light, although these are
So cool.
they're so cool. You like?
Love them.
You love them? It's really good when the model likes something. I'll just do a couple more. I'm just going to change my, I think I'm on 200 here. So I'm going to come back to 1/60th of a second, because now we've taken the white jacket off. I'm not going to have as much problem with overexposure on the jacket. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, that's lovely. Awesome, awesome. Cool, beautiful, beautiful. Cool. Head back a little bit. About there, yeah. Why I'm asking RaRa to slide back a little bit is I just want to get a little bit more bounce off this brightest part of the light. Stunning, that's really cool. Yeah, even further with your nose, yeah, that's cool. So if anything, head just slightly, cool. Maybe come across. Yeah, there. Beautiful, beautiful. Stunning, 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 stunning. Cool, 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 cool. So we've got one more look. So RaRa's going to quickly, Dan.
Yo.
We've got one more look, so he's going to quickly restyle. So now we're going to lose the pants, and just have the jacket.
Which wall are we shooting against?
I don't know.
Because
Most likely,
the white one?
oh, they're both white.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I might even do some black as well. I'm going to move around all three.
Okay. Show everyone what you've taken while I do that.
So just go and flick through some of these pictures we just did, and you'll see how we've got this really nice, cool effect. With my setup of this, I spent a good hour and a half, 2 hours setting this area up to shoot in, just so I could have all of these different lights really, really quickly to be able to make some cool editorial looks without having to mess around changing lights. Cool, these are cool.
Okay, cool.
We can.
Where are we starting?
I might start here. Yeah. So we're just going to start, we've now de-styled. So from that one outfit, we're going to do 4 different looks, and this is our final one. Cool, I like that. That's cool, right there. Stunning, stunning. It's really cool. Cool. Slide this way a little bit, get some more light onto you. Cool. There, yeah. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. 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 Come back into here a little bit. Come across. There, just there, right there. Come up to me a touch, just a bit. So what I'm going to do with this is I can also create a gobo with myself. So just by bringing my shadow in. No, I might have to do it on the other wall because I can see me. I just wanted to bring in a part of me, but I'm seeing all of me, so that's cool. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, cool. Come down along this wall, come along to the black, and come down a bit. There, just there. So now we've got this really cool shot against the black. Cool, beautiful, beautiful. Stunning, stunning. Cool. And I'll drop you out here for a couple. That's nice, that's really pretty.
Is there any light?
Cool, cool, cool. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then we'll jump down on this other wall. I'm going to shoot along this wall more for this shot. So maybe bring your leg up onto the wall, like lean your back on. Yeah, just that, bring your, that's cool. I love that, that's really cool. Stunning, 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 stunning. That's really cool, cool, cool. That's stunning, 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 stunning. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Beautiful, beautiful. Cool. Can you roll your whole self that way? Yeah, that's cool. That's really cool. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Stunning, stunning, stunning. That's cool, cool. Cool, nice, nice. And I'll just come in through my gap. Stunning, that's really pretty, that's really pretty. Beautiful. So this is just, we just did this as an editorial shoot, and the editorial will be up within the month. But it's also, we've shot a tutorial on the full detailed setup of this in Inspire, and this is just a quick outtake for YouTube. Again, we would have loved to have done this live, but the internet didn't allow us to do 1080 today. So I hope you enjoyed. Please leave comments below.
Cool.
Now you can stop stressing.